Hello, my dear subscribers. First of all, I would like to thank you all for your activity and comments. I really appreciate all of your questions and opinions. Today we are going to continue with our beauty series, and our topic for today is the problem of tear trough. The main reason why this problem occurs is tissue aging, which is caused by gravity. Change in bone structure. Bone of our head get closer to each other with the years. Declining fat storage and movement of fat tissue, as well as overcontraction of eye muscle. So, what is the action plan? No matter which face problem you're facing, you should always start with exercise for the right body posture. This video is already on our channel, and you can find the link here or in the description below the video. You should also do a massage of your aponeurosis, since it improves circulation and therefore nutrition of all face structures, including bones. After that, proceed to removing swelling and softly boosting your lymph nodes of your face and neck to remove excessive liquid. This video is also on our channel, and you can find the link here or in the description below the video. And now move on to the muscles that cause formation of tear trough. Those are forehead and temple muscles. Cramp of this muscle causes lowering of your eyelid and eyebrow end. Treatment of this problem I showed in the video about droopy eyelid. You can find the link above or in the description below the video. Depth of your tear trough as well as darkness of the eye circles depend on the muscles of the middle of your face. Cramp of the lateral nose muscle causes tear trough. Moreover, cramp of this small but very important muscle causes interruption of circulation. Tissues receive less nutrients, which results in dark circles. But that's not all. Cramp of the muscle that lifts the upper lip also takes part in forming of tear trough. The border between eyelid and cheek depends on chewing muscle. Therefore, in order to get a good result, you need to work on all the muscles surrounding your eyes. So, you should start off with the lateral nose muscle. Start massaging with your fingers in circular motions. After that, move upwards. Slide down and repeat this exercise again. You should do it 3 times. Then move on to the muscle that is lifting your upper lip. It is located between your nose and the center of your eyelid. Tap your fingers deep into the muscle and stretch it out. After that, move your fingers 1 centimeter and repeat the same movements, continuing approximately till the end of the muscle, which is under the middle of your eyelid. Repeat this exercise 3 times. Move on to the chewing muscle. Cramp of this muscle causes strongly visible border between eyelid and cheek. For some people, it gets even worse with the addition of the feston on top. So what you should do is you grab a fold of tissue on the cheekbone, massage it between your fingers, and roll it down till the lower jawline. After that, release the tissue and return upwards, repeating the same movements. With this, you elongate your chewing muscle and smoothen your skin. You should repeat this exercise 3 times on each side. Doing those exercises in a complex will help you get rid of tear throat and make your eyes beautiful without injections. All the link to other videos you can find in the description below. If you found this video interesting, like it, subscribe to our channel and recommend it to your friends. Comment what are the topics you would like to see on our channel.